7 years power on. This drive is almost dead. It's Crucial M4, well known. Back then it was a cool thing. 256 gigs was more than enough, and I was happy like crazy to have it in my system. Back then it was quite something. And it worked great. It's based on MLC memory, which is really durable, and it proven itself to be a bulletproof drive, honestly. Worked 16 years. Frankly saying, it's been 50% of this time it was on. So we'll see power on count. 7 years power on. 7 years, 223 days. But I'm telling you, it's not true, cause I bought it in 2012 and installed it in a system immediately, and right after it's been like that. So probably it counts this time from the moment of installation latest firmware, which is 070H, and I think it's reset counter. Anyways, as you can see, bad average block erase count 8%, and here we have smart table with errors, and also there is a percent lifetime used. Let me open HD Tune, show you. So it performs surprisingly good still. I was able to transfer all data from it to my new NVMe drive, and what I'm missing about MLC modules, MLC NANDs, that it is super durable. It is proven to be best memory. It's the best drive I've ever used, honestly. Also, series of Intel drives for the servers was based on MLC NAND as well in those times. And those drives were great as well for the service purposes. Take a look at how predictable and steady speed readings are. Nothing jumps, the graph is almost straight, and it performs stable for the whole duration of the test. Here is what we have. Take a look at this. Minimum speed is almost equivalent to maximum speed, and access time is 0 milliseconds. And I am reiterating, this drive is almost dead. But anyways, MLC memory works like a charm. Let me show you how Crucial MX 500 works. It's the same SATA drive, but here is the thing. It spikes to 315, then it sags to 156, so it's scattered all over the place. Those spikes are moments when the buffer cleaned enough to be able to burst on that speed, but average read speed is what we got. I usually check speeds with HD Tune. HD Tune is a really nice tool which allows you to see and appreciate the fact how the drive works under pressure, how it works under load. This graph really helps to understand where those numbers taken from. So 300 something megabytes per second, as we could see previously. 16 years old Crucial M4 based on MLC NAND was able to deliver 400 megabytes per second steady. It's almost clean straight line comparing to this bullshit. And that's the price which we pay when we purchase cheap solid state drives. Yeah, it's 33 degrees. Temperature wise it's not bad, but as you can see, access time and speeds are worse than almost dead M4 based on MLC. It's literally crazy, guys. Let me show you how NVMe works on the comparison with MLC and with cheapest SATA TLC memory. That's the speed what I have on fastest drive in my system. 1 terabyte Viper M2. It's not even close to be overheated since it's installed closer to CPU cooler right underneath, between the CPU cooler and the graphics card on the motherboard. It gets warm, but it's nothing like it was tested in Snapdragon, when I ran the test and it immediately achieves maximum 68 degrees, which is crazy. Speeds may vary drastically. As you can see, it's not even close to be predictable graph like we saw on MLC memory. So we have 760 for minimum, maximum 1900, and average 1300 megabits per second, which is plenty for me again. But I will reiterate, the graph itself not even close to be as we have it on the Crucial M4. And sadly enough, I have to say goodbye to old friend Crucial M4. It was a great drive. Thank you for your service, buddy. I'll be missing you. And that's pretty much it what I'd like to show you today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.